Over the past year, the Runaway ramp on I-24 in Marion County, Tennessee, has seen more than its share of action. This stretch of highway, known for its steep downhill grade, puts heavy pressure on brakes, especially for semi-truck drivers. In this video, we've compiled selected traffic camera footage captured between April 2024 and May 2025. These are real moments showing how the ramp is used, not just by trucks, but by passenger vehicles as well. Some drivers used the ramp safely when their brakes failed, others barely made it to the top, and a few situations could have ended far worse. We've left out the low-quality or nighttime clips and focused only on clear, notable footage, the kind that reminds every driver why brake checks and safe speeds matter. As you watch this series of incidents, remember, runaway ramps are there for a reason. They're not just concrete slopes. They are built to save lives. The video begins with the most recent event and works its way back to an incident from early April 2024. Whether you're a seasoned trucker, a new CDL holder, or someone simply curious about how these ramps work, let this serve as a serious reminder: gravity never takes a day off.